Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 18. Which of the following pollutants is associated with brain damage? Now, pollutant simply refers to those harmful substances that causes pollution. Harmful substances that causes pollution, that is, substances that causes pollution are referred to as pollutants. Now, the question is asking us for the pollutants that results in brain damage. Now, let's analyze the pollutants given. Now, carbon 2 oxide, also known as carbon monoxide, is an air pollutant. Now, this carbon 2 oxide, if inhaled into the system, goes and reacts with the hemoglobin content of the red blood cell. So, carbon 2 oxide, which is CO, plus the hemoglobin, will now form what we call the carboxy hemoglobin. It will form what we call carboxyl hemoglobin. Now, this carboxy hemoglobin prevents the transport of oxygen, and like you know, the brain requires what? A lot of oxygen to function, a lot of O2 to function. Now, because this carbon monoxide goes and combines with this hemoglobin, it will prevent the transport of oxygen to the brain, and due to the loss of oxygen transport to the brain begins to suffer shock, and then it results in what? Brain damage. So therefore, carbon 2 oxide causes brain damage. Now, the reactive fallout simply refers to all these reactive emissions that are actually harmful to the what? To the body, but they do not cause brain damage. Biodegradable waste are waste that actually will be broken down, like the waste food, the sewages, and the rest. Now, sulfur 4 oxide, on the other hand, is also an air pollutant. Now, sulfur 4 oxide do not cause brain damage, but it is an irritant of the eye. It's an irritant of the eye. It irritates the eye and can also cause acid rain. So the answer to this question is option A, carbon dioxide, that leads to brain damage due to suffocation and shock. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.